Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft Print to PDF missing in Word on Windows 11. Fix it fast. Open Control Panel, open Programs and Features. Open Turn Windows features on or off. Uncheck Microsoft Print to PDF. Check Microsoft Print to PDF. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.